Boys, welcome back to a new video. And today, well, I haven't made a trade, but there is still a recap. I wanted to talk about, this week that happened. And as you can see, I highlighted this kind of choppy price action. Why? Because today, without trading, I made progress. Today, and also this whole week, where I traded only once, I think, or maybe even like no trade at all. Not sure. Have to look it up. But yeah, basically, what happened is that I started following intuition. I started following intuition. That meant that, well, those kind of days literally are the days that you completely lose your mind, bro. You buy here, no, sorry, you sell here, buy here due to the break of structure. You sell again here because, break of structure again, boom, 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 and you completely get screwed over, bro. You completely lose your mind. What clicked today is that, as soon as, well, the trading hour was fading away, I was stuck waiting for a break of structure to the downside. And well, as soon as I saw that it was going nowhere, I decided to step away. The real thing is, as well, as I said earlier, is to do this because, well, you can actually see that there was break of structure to the downside at some points in the days. We got one here, not really, not the ones I like, but here, nah, here, definitely here, here, you know what I mean? So really loads of trading setups, but they're actually just, um, not that, not profitable trading setups. So, well, actually, they are trading setups, but not profitable ones. And I skipped them today. Um, but again, what I said is not only today, but I skipped it already few days. Well, throughout this whole week, bro. I skipped it several times. Times where the setup just wasn't here, but also times where, sorry, where you had something similar. You know what I mean? And that's the thing, bro. That's also progress. That is also progress. And yeah, I will definitely start looking, well, listening to my intuition more. And that's one progress, obviously. But the other one is to, recognize that the table is cold. You know what I mean? Like a bit of like poker, like you're reading the cards. Well, this week was kind of not good, right? So if you know that, bro, the last few days haven't been what I expect, you know, now I'm having those kind of shopping things. Let's just step away for today. Let's just step away. And what I mean that with that is literally, bro, escaping losses. I escaped losses throughout this whole week because I knew that the table was cold. Um, if there is no, clear setup, I know that, I shouldn't enter because again, literally you know, we weren't in a good place. Now, if we were maybe on a win streak or more setups, I probably would have taken that if that was on, well, actually, I probably would have taken it. But because I knew that the table was kind of not good, I just didn't spend my whole day looking around what like the for potential um trade. So that's the thing, bro. And knowing that that took me almost, well, loads of months to know like when a table is cold and when a table is more hot. um and that's a wonderful thing for me because, well, now, uh as you know, that, I mean, obviously I'm starting to every day I want to trade more because, well, I didn't trade it the day afterwards, before. But knowing that that the market is cold for your strat is good because, well, bro, I know that probably next week I will have some banger setups, and that soon enough, I will. have some potential, like really bangers, because the table won't stay cold forever, and it won't stay hot forever, definitely. So yeah, that's definitely the thing that kind of clicked today. And I realized it like all the week, that bro, all right, no trade today, no trade today, no trade today, no trade today, no trade today. And today I saw that I could, but I just said, bro, it's kind of weird that now we get those, pattern recognition. I had this during summer, loads of days that table just wasn't called, and I would take this, you know, and well, I would lose my mind completely. So so yeah, that's basically it. That's what clicked today, and I wanted to share it with you guys because, well, I don't know, it's kind of my journal, my trading journal, and tracking progress and all. And so yeah, that's kind of it. And well, it's even better for me because, bro, I'm starting the new challenge Tuesday. So, I got no trades today, so I kind of not missing. I'm not missing anything. Oh shit, that's FOMO, bro. That's FOMO, bro. Alright, I'm starting to have emotions. I'll try to not have as many. Whoa, I just had a realization, bro. Oh shit, that may be not as good as I thought at the beginning. But yeah, basically, that's what clicked today. Listen to your intuition. At first, not, but at the beginning and after a few months is when you are really sure that, this is not going to hit, which happened loads of times for me. At some points, you know that, bro, all right, maybe in another setup you would trade it. But on this specific day, well, on this specific one, I knew that I shouldn't step up and enter. So yeah, quick video. I don't know how. Let me see, 7 minutes. Yeah, more or less quick. So yeah, kind of. I don't know. Hope I didn't lose you and that you follow my explanation. And yeah, like, subscribe, comments, and we'll see each other on Monday or Tuesday. I'm not sure yet, but surely when I will start the combine. So yeah, bye, bro. Thank